Have you ever wondered which data tool truly stands on top in 2025, Looker Studio or Power BI? With so many dashboards, integrations, and analytics options out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. But today, we're breaking it down clearly so you know exactly which one fits your needs. Let's start with Looker Studio. This tool, built by Google, is completely free and entirely cloud-based. It's a favorite among small businesses, marketers, and anyone who wants quick, customizable dashboards without dealing with complex setup. Its drag and drop interface feels intuitive, and if you already live inside the Google ecosystem, analytics, sheets, ads, you'll appreciate how easily everything connects. But Looker Studio isn't perfect. It offers fewer advanced analytics features, slower data refresh rates, and limited enterprise level controls. If you're managing massive data sets or need deep automation, it may feel a bit lightweight. Now, compare that with Power BI. Microsoft built this platform with enterprise-grade power in mind. Medium to large organizations rely on it for serious data modeling, AI-driven insights, and highly interactive dashboards. It ties in seamlessly with Microsoft 365 and Azure, and it shines when you need real-time updates, automation, or the ability to scale reports across entire departments. Of course, this power comes with trade-offs. Power BI requires a paid subscription, and the learning curve is noticeably steeper than Looker Studio. But for companies that need analytics muscle, the investment often pays off. So, which one is better in 2025? It really comes down to who you are and what you need. If you're a beginner, a solo creator, or a small team that wants a simple, free, and flexible dashboarding tool, Looker Studio is the smoothest path. But if you're working with complex data, building automated pipelines, or supporting large-scale decision-making across an organization, Power BI is the stronger, more capable choice. Both tools shine, but for different users. Pick the one that truly matches your workflow, not the one that just sounds more powerful. If this breakdown helped you decide, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.